happened? What happened? It is Mom's birthday today. Today? We forgot? Yes, but we can still do something. We can make a surprise party. For Mom? Yes, a big surprise. A cake, balloons, presents. Ah! Slow down, Tom.
This is a secret mission. Mission Mom's birthday! First, we decorate. Then, we make a cake. We need balloons. I found one sock. Here they are. Perfect! I found the party box. Good job, but be careful. Oops. That was for later. We must keep the house clean. I am helping. Hold it steady. I am steady. Huh? Why is it following me? Because you are walking in circles. Don't move. I am a statue. It looks beautiful! One decoration done.
Next, balloons. Oh! I can carry everything. We need many balloons. This one is the boss balloon. This is hard. Take your time. I can't do it.
How did you do that? Slow and careful.
I did it! Ha! Good job, Tom.
Wait! Come back! Catch it! The balloon is flying! Don't let it hit the decorations! Oh no! The streamer! I almost got it! I can catch it! Careful, Tom! Now they are everywhere! The balloons are escaping!
I found it! And many other things.
Let's work slowly. Slowly, yes. Very slowly. Tom, can you see? Not really. I got it! Sorry. The card is beautiful. Mom will love it. More color? Tom. Gently, Tom. I was gentle. You look like a party tree. That is not helpful. Can I add one heart? Yes, one small heart. Now it is safe. No more confetti. Decorations are almost done. Now the cake? Yes, now the cake. It looks good. It looks almost perfect. Quick, tape! Here. Good job. It stayed. Now, cake time. Wow, cake time. First, we read the recipe. Step 1, flour. I know flour. Carefully. I can do it. Slowly, Tom, slowly. Stop! It came out fast. Do I look okay? You look like a tiny baker. Stay still. I am still. Good. Now, sugar. Sweet cake needs sugar. Exactly. More sugar? No, that is salt. Oh, salty cake? Tap it gently. Gently? I can do gently. Too soft. Too hard! It is okay. We can fix it. I found the shell! Good eyes, Tom. Slow circles. Slow circles. Not too fast! Not too fast! Sorry, the spoon got excited. Now, a little milk. Only a little. Careful! Almost too much. The butter is running away. Butter cannot run, Tom. It looks like cake. Almost. Now we bake it. Hold the pan steady. I am very steady. It moved. That is why we go slowly. That looks good. Chef Tom is ready. Careful, the oven is hot. I will stay back. Is it ready now? Not yet. How about now? Still not yet. Only a little color. Only a little. that too much? Very colorful. It looks magical. Mix slowly, please. Tom, the frosting jumped. Maybe Mom will not see it. She will see it. Here, Tom. I knew that. I knew that.
The cake is ready! Stay back. I will check.
It smells so good.
Careful, it is hot.
Wow! It is smaller than my drawing.
Real cakes are smaller than drawings.
A thin layer first. It looks beautiful. More frosting means more love.
Tom, wait! We need less frosting.
But it looks happy.
Just a little.
That was not little.
The cake is leaning.
Stay, cake, stay.
Careful, careful. It is standing!
Your writing is so careful. I am trying. Haha!
Moom?
Oh no! That should say Mom. A heart can fix it. That is actually a good idea.
Tom, that is too many candles.
More candles means more birthday. Let's make it simple. Simple and beautiful.
We forgot the gift.
Okay, fast but careful. The ribbon is very long. Bring it back, please. It is beautiful. It is very special. Mom is home!
The cake!
Please do not fall. Small steps. Hide!
Ready?
Surprise!
Oh my goodness! What happened here?
We made a surprise. It went a little wrong.
This is the best surprise.
Really?
Really.